Good morning students, welcome to your English class. Children, in continuation with your past 2020 exam, today we shall do page number 53 of your English book, and after that we will do some MCQs related to the topic. Students, on page number 53 of your book, we have to encircle the correct word for the picture. They have given us some pictures and we have to encircle correct word for them. They have given us 3 words and we have to circle that one which is correct. The first one is already done. The picture is of pin. The options are TIN tin, PIN pin, BIN bin. The spelling of pin is PIN pin, so they have circled pin. In the second picture, the picture is of bib. The options are NIB nib, BIG big, BIB bib. The spelling of bib is BIB bib, so we will circle BIB bib. Next picture is of number 6 and the spellings given are SIX 6, MIX mix, FIX fix. So children, the spelling of 6 is SIX 6. So we will circle 6. In the next picture, the picture is of a lid and the options are MID mid, BID bid, LID lid. The picture is of lid and the spelling of lid is LID. So we will circle LID lid. Children, the next picture is of bin and the options are BIN bin, PIN pin, TIN tin, and the spelling of bin is BIN. So we will circle BIN bin. Children, this is the last picture. This is the picture of a wig and the options are BIG big, WIG wig, FIG fig. The spelling of wig is WIG wig. So we will put a circle on wig. Students, now we will do some MCQs related to the page. Our first question is write correct word for picture and the picture is of number 6 and the options are number A 5, number B 9, number C 6, number D is 10. So this is the picture of number 6. So we will put a tick on 6. Children, our second question is choose correct picture for word bib. We have to choose correct picture for bib and the options are first picture is of number 5, second picture is of pin, third picture is of number 6 and fourth picture is of bib. The word was bib, so we will put a tick on D, BIB bib. Children, our third question is choose the same word. We have to choose the same word and the word is BIN pin and the options are number A PIN pin, number B BIN bin, number C SIN sin, number D TIN tin. Children, the word is BIN bin and the same word is written on option B BIN bin. So we will put a tick on bin. Students, our fourth question is choose rhyming word for lid and the options are MID mid, BIB bib, TIN tin, KIT kit. Now children, ID it is the last sound and in the first option we can see ID id. In other options the sound is IB ib, IN in, IT it. So the correct answer is MID mid. Students, now we will do some more MCQs related to your past 2020 paper. Children, our fifth question is choose the letter which is same in both the shapes. There are two shapes, a circle and a triangle, and some letters are written in them. We have to choose the same letter. The options are B, G, D, P. Now children, the first letter is B, but B is not in this triangle. The second letter is P. P is also not there in the triangle. The next letter is Q. Q is also not in the triangle. The next letter is D. D is there in the triangle. So we will put a tick on D. Children, sixth question is choose correct vowel according to the picture. The word is L dash P. The picture is of lip. The options are A, I, E, O. So children, the spelling of lip will be I because E की आवाज आ रही है. So we will put a tick on I. Next question is choose rhyming word for DAY day. The options are MAT mat, LEG leg, WAY way, PIG pig. So the word is DAY day and the rhyming word will be way. So we will put a tick on way. In the next question we have to choose the correct phrase for the picture. We have to choose the correct phrase and the picture is of bat and mat, and the options are A, a red pen, B, a bat and a cap, C, a map and a mat, D, a bat and a mat. The picture is of a bat and a mat, and this is written option number D, a bat and a mat. So we will put a tick on a bat and a mat. Children, our next question is choose the same word. We have to choose the same word and the word is MEN, men. And the options are number A, MEN, men, number B, MAN, man, number C, MIN, min, number D, MON, mon. The word is MEN, men, and it is written on option number A. So we will put a tick on MEN, men. Thank you.